Today we are going to look at creating a Windows 11 Rescue USB drive, how to do it, and why. Before I scare you, I have made rescue disks, CDs, DVDs, and USBs for every computer I have ever owned, going back to the early 90s. So for easy maths, let's say that is about 20 computers. I guess. I have had to use a rescuer disk on those computers, maybe 4 or 5 times. Personally, I believe in better safe than sorry. I feel happy, knowing I have an ace up my sleeve, and can potentially fix my own computer. So, let's get stuck in. What is a USB rescue drive, and why build yourself one? A USB drive is a drive which is specific to your computer and installs files on the drive for future use. What files does it install, you ask? 1. Boot files. Essential files for starting your computer, like the bootloader. 2. System files. Core files of the Windows operating system, allowing for repairs or reinstallation. 3. Recovery tools. Diagnostics and repair utilities, like startup repair and command prompt. 4. Backup of system files, optional. If you chose the option to backup system files, a copy of your existing Windows installation will be included. 5. User interface. Files that make up the Windows recovery environment, WinRE interface, allowing you to interact with the recovery tools. 6. Drivers. Basic drivers to ensure your hardware works well enough to carry out the recovery tasks. All these files will enable you to 1. Startup repair, usually safe, attempts to fix issues without affecting files. 2. Reset. This PC, 2 options available. Keep my files. Attempts to save personal files but reinstalls Windows, not 100% foolproof. Remove everything. Wipes all files and reinstalls Windows. Data will be lost. 3. Advanced options like command prompt. Risk varies. If you delete or modify the wrong files, you could lose data. If your computer is acting up, maybe having a virus or some malicious software or an automatic driver update that conflicts with your computer system, then one of the first things you should try is to use your USB drive to problem solve and troubleshoot issues. We will cover using the drive in another video. For now, let's just focus on creating the rescue drive. What you'll need: 1 16GB USB flash drive. These can be picked up anywhere, and depending on looks and how fast you would like it delivered will cost you anywhere around the £10, bucks, euros. You will also need your computer and a hot cup of tea. As although really easy to do this, you could be waiting some time for the process to complete. For the purpose of this video, I create a full rescue disk, including a backup of system files. It took 50 minutes, as this is a long time. I will speed up the video for you. However, I will keep a video uploaded showing real time for those who wish to see it. I'm going to walk through this with you, step by step, so please don't be worried about this process. I'm going to give you all the skills you need. Follow along with me. Step 1. Insert your USB drive in the USB socket. Your computer will automatically detect that you have inserted it. This is okay, and if a window pops up, you're good to close it. We don't need to do anything else with the USB drive right now. Step 2. Launch the Create a Recovery Drive utility from your Start menu. Navigate yourself down like this and left-click into the search box. Now type in the Create a Recovery Drive and simply hit the Enter button on your keyboard to start a search. As you can see, it's at the top of the search. Your computer will bring up a warning message, just like this one. Say yes, as we know what we are doing. Step 3. You'll see an option to backup system files to the recovery drive. This is the one I went with, as it gives you a more comprehensive backup of your system. The but is, it will take longer. If you wish to just have a quick and simple USB drive created, feel free to deselect this option. But I'd highly recommend, for the little extra time it takes, one day you may wish you had selected this option. For example, the very first thing I do with my computer is create a USB rescue drive, and I label it out of the box. This way I know, worst case, I can take my computer back to the original state I brought it home in. Step 4. On this next pop-up, click Create and let the magic happen. Warning: your USB drive and all the data files on it will be deleted. Your USB drive will be formatted, all the data and files removed. Step 5. Wait. The drive is being created for you. All you have to do now is wait. Once complete, click Finish. Please note, if you have an issue with the creation of the drive as I have in the past, a will pop up stating the disk creation was aborted for some reason or another. If this does happen, then try using a different USB socket. If you are using a desktop, use one at the back of your computer, as this is directly connected to the motherboard and not an extension from the motherboard. Congratulations! You've just created your very own digital lifesaver. Label up your drive, pop it in an envelope, on the shelf, whatever it is you do with it. Ensure you remember which safe place you popped it in, as one day you may need it. I do hope you found this tutorial easy to follow, as I would like you to feel empowered and not frustrated. Any issues, comments or concerns, please feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe for more.